Guys, I hope you are all well. Today we are going to give you an elite review on this amazing Mercedes-Benz AMG GT R. Guys, here we are, one of the finest machines to come out of the AMG factory. This is pretty much a road legal track machine. This is the direct competitor made by Mercedes for the Porsche 911 GT3 RS, and we think they've done a fine job. So this machine here, it houses a 4-litre V8 bi-turbo producing 577 brake horsepower. Now let me start off by showing you the exterior styling and the bodywork on this absolutely gorgeous AMG. But the first thing you're going to spot while I'm standing here is this extremely long but yet very attractive front nose. Being a proper GT car, the back end is short, the front end is long, and this is housing that world famous 4-litre V8 bi-turbo producing 577 brake horsepower. So come around the front and I'm going to show you a little bit more. Now the first thing you're going to notice on this is this large, dominating, yet absolutely gorgeous front grille. Quirky little feature as well. This front grille is featured on the digital dash when you start the car. Nice little fact for you. But this looks stunning, and down here you're going to see a carbon fiber splitter. This car's lathered in carbon fiber from the sides to the back to the spoiler, and it makes the car look so much more aggressive. Now moving on to the side profile of this stunning GTR, first thing you're going to see is performance alloy wheels with the exposed aluminium rim housing the Pilot Cup Sport 2. Probably the best set of tires you can get for this kind of car because it's putting out so much performance with that beautiful coloured brake caliper and discs as well. Now moving further down, you're going to see again more carbon fibre, all there to increase the aerodynamics of this machine. We've got a carbon fibre side sill all the way down, and that famous yet very attractive short end with the flared arches here at the back as well. But you think this is gorgeous? Wait until you see the back. Come on, follow me. Now this is beautiful, right? How stunning, how attractive is this back end now? First thing you're going to see is this colossal rear wing, all carbon fiber, and it looks phenomenal. We've got the thin LED lights coming through here, and also the center exhaust, the center performance exhaust housed in that rear carbon fiber diffuser. I mean, you think this looks good, it sounds even better, and I'm going to give you a sneak peek in a bit. Now guys, with this being a front engine GT car, you've got a surprising amount of boot space, plenty of space for luggage. Let me show you. And have a look at that. Space for luggage, space for your weekend bags, space for your groceries, your shopping, because as aggressive and highly tuned as this vehicle is, it is an everyday supercar. You can use this every day because it's so comfortable and it's so practical. And if you look at it, we've got the all famous AMG sign there in the middle, and we've got a center strut brace right there as well, because being a performance car, it keeps the body nice and tight. Welcome to the cabin of the GTR. Such a pretty, comfortable, beautiful place to be. It does shout pure luxury. The cabin is spacious. It goes back to me saying that it can be used as an everyday supercar. It's full of Alcantara. The steering wheel with the gloss black accents, the AMG performance seats. It's a stunning place to be. Guys, the driving position on this GTR is absolutely perfect, exactly where you want to be. Here on the Alcantara wrap steering wheel, you have all your captive controls, all within perfect reach. You've got the digital cluster here as well. You've got further buttons, i.e. for example to control your exhaust note, front nose, suspension settings, it's all there. And as you go further up here as well, we've got the 12.3-inch infotainment system, which is Apple CarPlay and Android compatible also. And as you look below, traction control on and off, which you can have a lot of fun with, by the way. Now, the most favorite part of every car lover's bit is the noise, is the note, is the exhaust tune. Now, this being an AMG with the performance exhaust, I've got to start her up. I need you to hear her, because that's what you're going to fall in love with. So let's go. Let's start her up. Go around the back, have a listen. So guys, it's been an absolute pleasure being able to give you an elite insight on the stunning Mercedes-Benz AMG GT R. Now, we have the finest selection available here in Abu Dhabi and in Dubai, and we can get this shipped to you anywhere in the world through our logistical global partners. If you have any questions, any queries, please feel free to DM us, give us a call, drop us an email, whatever works for you. And as we always say, we are here to look after you. Thank you so much, guys.